We are at 342 Alice Fay. All the white powdery stuff you see is actually lime, which was part of the flea treatment, so it's not a big deal. It can be cleaned up. Exterior, there's some paint that's peeling. I'm not going to call for a full exterior paint, but it would be nice to touch up some of those areas. It'll just make it look better cosmetically. There's also some more of that there on the sides. You've got some broken skirting there. So we'll get some of that cleaned up in the estimate. I do think this house is going to need a full roof replacement. I'm going to show you different areas of the house that indicate leaking. It's not wise to do any interior repairs until the roof is fixed because we have had a lot of rain lately, including today. We are expecting rain. Also in the house, we're going to have to do a second round of flea and roach treatment. You're going to see a lot of them dead here, so that's good. But there are some still living, so it would be wise to do a second and possibly even third round of flea treatment. You can see the roaches, and I haven't seen any fleas jumping yet, but I am suited up in case. Anyway, the house on the inside is going to need a full interior paint. It's not wise to do that until we've got the roof taken care of. There's an obvious roof issue. Under the underside of the wood, you can see certain areas where there's moisture. So that's something you're going to have to take care of. Otherwise, you're going to have more of the ceiling falling in. This is in the living room that we're standing in. I'm wondering if the AC has an issue because I did notice several window units, even though it looks like there's central AC here. So that's something we're going to have to get checked out. Usually it costs around $400 just to have somebody come service the AC and check it for issues. We've got more indication of roof leaks here. That's mold and moisture. And then this mud room back here, which is usually where your hot water heater, your washer and dryer are gonna go. There's active mold growing there, which indicates lots of moisture coming in. So you see that stuff here. Hot water heater goes here, but there's no hot water heater here on site, but that's where one would go. Cabinets, the cabinets are pretty sturdy. They're really dirty and yucky, so we would need to clean them up really good. The countertops, they aren't the prettiest, but they can be painted with the countertop safe paint. The bottom of the cabinets there are rotted out, which means that there was probably a leak under the sink at one point. So my suggestion is to rip out that rotted wood and then put some new wood underneath there and also replace the plumbing under there so it's not leaking. Also, the cabinets need to be cleaned, painted. These ones here can be left open face since the doors are missing, but to make it look nice, we'd want to remove, those hinges that are there. The cabinets are going to need to be sanded down, stripped, and repainted to make them look nice. The flooring throughout the house is in pretty good condition overall. You've got small areas like that need to be relaid and sealed, but it's okay. This is one of the bedrooms. It's got a big closet. Okay, got a light fixture there. This is that bedroom, first bedroom. Again, some signs of leaking there. So we will want to look at a full roof replacement. We'll show you the restroom. Restroom, my recommendation is to keep the vanity. There's no signs of leaking under there, so that's nice. The mirror's fine. Need some new light bulbs up there. Replace the shower walls. They're yucky, and even if we clean them up, it's not gonna be completely clean. So I'd say rip those shower walls out, replace them. You need a new spout, drain cover there, and then just resurface the tub and add a new drain cover. I'm not sure what's going on there. That's actually duct tape. So I'll have to have that looked at. When I opened this door, cockroaches scattered. You can still kind of see them there hanging out in the corner. We're gonna need to double treat this house. We're gonna have to. So that's that bedroom there. Okay. This is the last bedroom here. Got some holes in the wall. Got some mold and moisture spots there in the ceiling that we're gonna need to address. Again, more window units. closet. Okay, so this is the property at 342 Alice Fay.